everyone, my name is Mrs. Cook. I teach 4th grade at the St. Regis Mohawk School. Today I will be reading Hope is an Open Heart by Lauren Thompson. I hope you enjoy and have a message of hope. Hope. Sometimes hope feels far away, but hope is always there. Hope is the warmth of strong arms around you. Hope is sad tears flowing, making room for joy. Hope is angry words bursting, making room for understanding. Hope is scared words, asking for help, and finding that help is there. Hope is knowing that you are loved. Hope is knowing that you love others. Hope is holding tight to your mother's hand. Hope is your father's goodnight kiss. Hope is remembering his kisses when he can't be there with you. Hope is finding happiness in simple things. Hope is daring to do something you've never done before. Hope is remembering that you are not alone. Many others feel just the way you do. Many others care. Hope is a candle flame in the darkness. Hope is the clear sky above the gray clouds. Hope is the glistening of the snow when the storm has passed. Hope is a heart that is open to the world around you. Hope is knowing that things change and that we can help things to change for the better. Hope is always there inside you, waiting to unfold. I hope you enjoyed the book, and I hope it brings a message of hope to you in these troubling times. Stay well.